what type of foods do I need to eat in order to get to that ultimate goal? I'm not saying you're not gonna have some days where you eat pizza, some days where you may eat burgers, but we want to try to reduce the processed foods, our ultra processed foods, as much as possible. We want to reduce as much as the added sugar, added fats as much as possible. And the way you do this is by adding more nutrient dense foods. Our nutrient dense foods are the foods that are high in fiber, like our whole grains, our vegetables, our fruits, lean sources of protein such as chicken, fish, turkey. Also, healthy fats such as avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds. We're looking for these highly nutrient dense foods because over the last 10, 15 years, we've been eating very calorie dense foods. Those are our cookies, our pies, our cakes, potato chips. These are very calorie dense. So they provide us with, 600-700 calories, but they lack in nutritional value, right? They give us all the added sugar, they give us all the added fat, but no nutritional value. But when you go to nutrient dense foods, you reduce your calories by half. So you go from 700 to, let's say, 3 to 350 when you start eating nutrient dense food. You're getting more fiber, you're getting more vitamins, minerals, you get more lean sources of protein, more healthy fats because you change that up. And this is gonna make you feel fuller longer. When you're eating those calorie dense foods, you'll keep going back for more and more, and you're wondering, wow, why do I keep eating all these snacks all day, or these highly fat foods all day? It's because your body is not satisfied. It's not getting the nutrition it needs. But when you start feeding it these highly nutrient dense foods, you're gonna feel very satisfied, which is gonna make you eat less of the ultra processed foods.